Frigid January temperatures brought 3 Coast Guard cutters to the Penobscot River today. The cutters Bridle, Shackle, and Tackle did their thing, breaking ice along the Bangor waterfront. Coast Guard officials say what they're calling Operation Reliable Energy for Northeast Winters is the Coast Guard's region-wide effort to assure that we all have the security, supplies, energy, and emergency resources we need throughout the winter. Keith, I got to say, what they do is incredible, but they need a better code name than that.
They do. It's
a little too on point. I'm thinking like Operation Cold Crush.
Right, I like that.
Here we go.
Operation Cocktail Shaker.
Yeah, you thought of this. Amanda's seen me drive a boat and just knows that she wouldn't want to see me doing that with the ice cutter just swinging.
Well, I've heard that sound when you're in your boat.
Yes, it's not ice, but it sounds like something that's being hit. Guys, we have this storm that we're going to talk about. We're going to quickly go through the next 24 hours or so, which is actually quite quiet. Tonight will be a lot warmer than last night, where the entire state got below zero, well below zero in a lot of spots. We'll be in the 20s and teens tonight, and then cloudy through the day tomorrow. There will be some snow showers and squalls. Sometimes before a big storm, we get a little bit of a push down of a trough that gives us a dusting or a little bit more of accumulation. So we'll keep an eye out for that, but I think for the most part, it's going to be quiet tomorrow, waiting for our storm. Where is that storm? Well, you can't really see it all the way because the radar doesn't go that far offshore, but it's in here. In fact, the hurricane hunters are flying through it, which is not a typical thing that they do with winter storms, but there's so much interest, so many people in the path of this storm that they're going to go in there, they're going to collect observations, they're going to feed it back into the models and try to get an even better idea of what this storm's going to do. More information, always good for models. So as it stands, this storm starts on Saturday morning. Now, if you got something to do and you do it early enough, especially over central Maine and northern Maine, you should be okay. But the snow fills in pretty quickly here through the late morning hours, and into the middle of the day it really starts going, especially along the coastline and just inland. Slower to start in the mountains where it will be light at first, but we start ripping here between noon, 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock here from Sanford to Portland down into Portsmouth as well. That band probably extends into Augusta. Notice how cold it is during this storm. 7, 8, 15 maybe. I don't think we'll even get there. It's staying cold. It's a light, fluffy snow. The snow continues pretty heavily through the early evening, in the middle part of the evening into down east Maine, and then it's out of here on Sunday morning, moving out of down east last, and we're in good shape on Sunday. So our map is the same as yesterday, 12 to 18 inches in Bar Harbor, 8 to 12 into Portland, and then as you head into the mountains, 4 to 8 inches. If we wanted to get really cute with it, and we don't necessarily, I think there'll probably be a band right here that's pretty nasty that could extend that 8 to 12 up a little bit, but to try to get it that exact is probably not realistic. Either way, this is a pretty good size snow event, and we likely will have blizzard conditions along the coast, which is winds that are over 35 miles an hour, visibility under a quarter mile. You do that for 3 hours in a row, you got yourself a blizzard. Don't even need any snow actually, but we'll get that too. Clearing and breezy on Sunday, mostly sunny on Monday and Tuesday. And then if you want to enjoy the snow, maybe take Tuesday off because we've got some rain. It looks like Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe into Friday when we could spike into the 50s. Always keeping it interesting around here.
That's a loaded word in the weather office.
Sure.
Thank you.